Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily delete timer charging on your Suzuki. So I am on the Suzuki Eviterra. Now what you guys want to do here is open up the settings. Once you open up the settings, go to EV and here go to charge. Now as soon as you hit charge, go to timer charging and here click on the thing that you want to delete. So for example, we want to click here, we will open the list and we should see that here we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but here we have the Saturday and Sunday. So if I want to get rid of this Saturday and Sunday, what are we going to do is we're going to go and click on change, click on delete, and now click on yes at the bottom. As you guys can see, those little arrows are gone, and now if I wanted to change something, we can see that the option is gone because we just deleted this. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.